Right, everybody, we are now talking about vertically aligning text on a page. So when we talk about horizontal alignment, if we say center the text horizontally, it means from the left to the right. Okay, and that is this one. That is horizontally centering text. But when we speak about vertically centering text, then we're talking about from the top to the bottom. So in other words, getting text in the middle of the page from the top to the bottom. Because we use next page breaks in Word, as I told you, we must use. You don't have to go and select anything, nothing. So if they tell you, I'm now still in the same exercise and I'm on page number 2. So if there's an instruction that page number 2 should be vertically aligned, you only have to go and make sure that you click anywhere on page 2. And then what you do is you go to Layout. And under Layout, you go to Page Setup. And then you'll see you have margins, paper, and layout. Make sure you click on Layout. And here in the middle it says vertical alignment. At the moment it's on top, and you just make sure it's on center. And you click OK. So I just want to make this smaller so you can see, if you look at this, that the text is vertically aligned top to bottom. But what if, and here's the difference, if you have a footnote or an endnote on a page and the instruction is to vertically align it, excuse me, then you have to do something to that text, because let's say, remember previously I put a footnote on page 1, so I'm going to click on page 1. Going to go through the whole process, the one that I just showed you. So Layout, Page Setup, go to Layout and put it on center, and then OK. And the text will not move, and the reason for that is there's a footnote on that page. So what does that mean? That means that this footnote is attached to this text. So because it's there, this text cannot move to the center of the page. So we have to do something to this footnote in order for this text to move. So I'm going to go and make this page small, because even though you can't read the text, I want you to see what's going to happen. So we need to go and just go to the footnote in the corner there. And you'll see now that, let's just put it on the footnote, and you'll see it says there the footnote is at the bottom of the page. So what do? We make sure that it goes to below the text. I'm going to take this out of the way, and once I apply, I want you to check what's going to happen. Apply. You see that the footnote is now below the text, and that enabled the text to move down. Hope it makes sense.